I don't think really any industry since the Industrial Revolution has advanced without at least some level of standardization and application of best practices. And while there have been great advancements, and you hear about a lot of them at this meeting, in the areas of technology development and what we've learned and people's understanding of manufacturing processes, the application of standards and best practices have lagged behind somewhat. So we have several projects underway to address that, including the AGene and the ACEL projects I can tell you a little bit more about. But we're also working through organizations such as the Standards Coordinating Body, a sister organization of ARMS, to basically advocate for and bring the community together to form and produce better standards. Sure, so AGene was originally conceived of several years ago at an ARM CMC focused meeting where our members really identified that one of the key things that was holding the industry back is a lack of agreement about best practices in manufacturing. And some of those members had experience in the biologics industry with monoclonal antibodies, and they'd worked on a project called AMAB and credited that with being one of the things that really helped the MABS field to advance, and at the same time identifying a real need for that in gene therapy. So we set out with help from NIMBLE and funding from NIMBLE, and of course with ARM member companies and the subject matter experts from those companies, to produce a case study describing the application of quality by design principles to the manufacture of an AAV vector using a HEC 293 system. And that's now, I'm happy to say, after several years of hard work, completed, and it's available open source on ARM's website. And we are also actively working on the ACEL project, and that is a similar principle to AGene, but the case study is an autologous CAR T.